This is the compact version of the aerial safety cage. I want to take a minute to talk about the features and benefits and the proper use of this product. It's easy to transport and maneuver using the tip and glide wheels. Just position it to where you want to use it, stand it up, grab one half of the ladder, pull it towards you. This top section will come down and lock into place. Now you're ready to go. Now the compact aerial safety cage is just a little bit smaller and has a smaller footprint than its big brother, the aerial safety cage. It's specifically designed to go into a 2x4 ceiling tile, so if you have to work into those drop ceilings, you can take this entire cage system up into the ceiling with you. Now, when you climb the product, you want to maintain 3 points of contact. So 2 hands, 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 hand. As I ascend or descend, as I get to the top, I'm going to walk through these one-way gates, and I'm just going to push my body through them, and then they'll snap behind me, lock behind me. Now I have a 42-inch handrail, mid-span, and a toe kick of a scaffolding system. I don't need to maintain the 3 points of contact or have a tie-off from above. I'm working safely out of a scaffolding setup here at the top. In order to get down, I'm going to open those one-way gates towards me, and I'm going to hold it open with my hip, still maintaining 3 points of contact as I descend, stepping back down and climbing hands and feet. Now, the compact aerial safety cage comes in several different sizes. A 4 to 6, meaning the platform height adjusts from 4 feet to 6 feet. 5 to 8 or 6 to 10. 6 to 10 would put my feet at 10 feet, my head close to 16 feet, giving me a 17-foot reach safely out of that 42-inch handrail cage. To adjust the height, I just squeeze the rock locks at the bottom, and that unlocks them. To lock them back in place, I'm just going to squeeze at the top. So I'm going to unlock both sides, squeezing at the bottom. I'm going to push the top section of the aerial safety cage away from me, and that's just going to slide down. You can see I can stop at 6 feet or 7 feet or 8 feet. Anywhere there's a rung, I can snap those into place and lock them. Make sure they're fully engaged. Come over to the other side. Again, release both rock locks and then raise that top section up until you get to that last rung, and then lock those in place, making sure they're fully engaged. Now that you're ready to climb at that height, we can deploy the outriggers. Now, the aerial safety cage and the compact aerial safety cage pass all of the OSHA and ANSI tests for side tip and stability without the outriggers deployed. So this is an added benefit. If you have the room to deploy them and you want the extra stability, simply press the button on the side, which allows you to deploy them at the proper angle. Turn this clockwise to loosen, deploy it to the proper length, and then go counterclockwise to tighten. To put those back, just reverse the process, and then press the button and bring that back down into place. Now, because both sides of the product telescope independently, we can leave one side shorter for staircases or any kind of uneven surface. So all those hard to get to areas where you can't get a scissor lift and a standard A-frame ladder isn't going to work, we can adjust the compact aerial safety cage to get into those hard to get to areas. Now, to bring the product back down, we're going to make sure that our outriggers are back into place. We're going to release the rock locks. Now remember, gravity is still in play, so we want to maintain control of the top section of the ladder as we bring it down. Never unlock both rock locks without having some control of the top. And we have a descent control device on the side that will assist with that. Lift that up, and that will allow this to come down. If you let go of it, it stops it in place. So you just bring that down to the desired height, re-engage those rock locks, lock them into place, come back around to the other side, disengage your rock locks, and then drop that back down to its storage position. To close it, there's 2 tabs on either side of the platform. You want to raise those up as you lift the platform up, disengaging them from the locked position. Close it all the way, and then tip it back on the tip and glide wheels, and you're ready to move it to its next spot. Again, this is the compact aerial safety cage by Little Giant Ladder Systems. We want you to climb safe and climb on.